never seen a cotton harvester that can pick and bale cotton in one continuous process.
Today, let's take a simple look at Boshiran's 6-row cotton harvester with baler.
Today, I will not go too deep into technical details. Instead, I will focus on one question. What problem does this machine solve in the field?
During the cotton harvest season, time is very important.
This machine is designed for large-scale cotton harvesting. As you can see from the front, this is our 6-row harvesting system.
It helps cover more rows in one pass, which is important when the harvest window is short. After the cotton is picked, it is conveyed and collected inside the machine.
Then the baling system forms cotton bales directly in the field.
So instead of separating picking, collecting, and baling into different steps, this machine helps connect them into one continuous workflow. For customers, this means higher harvesting efficiency, less intermediate handling, and better support for large area cotton operations.
Another important part is the cab, so let's dive right in. For operators who work long hours during harvest season, visibility and comfort and simple control are really important. For overseas customers, choosing a machine is not only about size or power. Boshiran provides cotton machinery solutions for planting, harvesting, baling, and field operations.
It is also about field efficiency, reliability, maintenance, spare parts, and after-sales support. This 6-row cotton harvester with baler is built for customers who need a more integrated and efficient cotton harvesting solution.